Welcome to a quick demonstration of Managemate, a collaboration software that streamlines condominium board and manager workflows. The dashboard gives an overview of the condo's active projects, recently added documents, a list of contracted vendors, and a calendar of upcoming tasks and events. Managemate facilitates continuity when boards and managers change by giving users a place to plan and track their work and build their property history. A user can easily create a new project and include everything from an objective and scope to setting the schedule, breaking down a project into individual activities, and estimating a budget. Users can also link vendors, invoices, and documents to their projects so they can easily find that information later. This allows boards and managers to track progress as work proceeds to completion, while being able to see cost overruns or delays before they get out of hand. Managers can also provide regular updates between meetings without sending any more emails. Managemate also gives managers a place to save their action items and schedule their maintenance tasks with reminders. This helps reduce stress and allow managers to focus on the work in front of them. To help users stay up to date, the app surfaces the latest status updates to the top of the list. Then, overdue tasks and events are displayed, followed by upcoming activities. Users also have the ability to view completed activities so they can see what others in their condominium have accomplished. Additionally, all activities can be filtered based on whether they were assigned to other users or assigned to you directly, allowing for equal accountability. Each vendor is given their own profile, where you can add contracts to get reminders before they expire or renew. Users can also find a vendor's work history and leave notes for others to help them evaluate the vendor in the future. The document and invoice features are useful for transforming stored files into actionable intelligence. Users can save notes, mention others to alert them of any significant details, and link records to their respective projects, vendors, and property activity. Managemate also provides customizable in-app or email notifications for reminders to eliminate any communication gaps between your team. Thank you for listening. We encourage you to request a demo or check out our help center to better understand how Managemate can enhance collaboration and good governance.